All right, so I got my friend Phil coming by. We're gonna lower his Tesla Model 3 Performance. There he is down the street. Yeah, I gotta get the jacks set up, so I'll put you guys down for a sec. Wait, you gotta say hi to the camera. All right, so his car is what we're lowering today. What brand are these again? These coilovers?
Mountain Pass Performance.
Mountain Pass Performance. Yeah, we're just a little worried because when we drop it, we don't know if there's going to be enough clearance for the sides. So we have a solution. We're going to put the blocks under the tires if we have to. Crazy. This thing's in my garage. We got the 20s with the stretch tires. Stupid. All right. All right, got his homie Danny coming by to help us out. Shit. Hella rich.
Beep, beep.
What's up, dude?
Is this Ron from Portland?
It is. These are knockoffs? No.
Yes. They don't touch my shit.
Damn. What the hell am I?
Look at his engine.
Bro, yeah, this is why I'm just standing back. I don't know what the hell what was this all about?
Oh, you yanked it out already? Yeah. Okay. Dude, the collab you didn't ask for. Model Plus and
oh yeah.
The model.
His
the
IG
no
is right here. Any Tesla things, do not go to this guy.
Like, what's going on? The collab we didn't know about. Oh, man. All right, so 2JZ, huh?
It's fast, but there's no sound. He stands, but he's no sound.
On the rear.
Damn.
I'll do the front. Yeah.
Hey, just like the old days, Phil. All right, what do we do?
I don't know. It's been a while. That's it?
Woo. I don't. Yeah, why is it? Whoa. All right. He's already ruining his car. Which one's 80? The bottom?
Yeah, the bottom two.
Okay. Try this out. Limiting extension bar set. OMT. 80 foot-pounds. All right.
Wait, is this it?
80 foot-pounds. We're gonna test this thing out. Just give it like a couple clicks, and then
How do you know when it stops?
it'll flex. So as soon as it catches, we'll test it.
Dude, when I was at Les Schwab, all I did was just whack the gun until yeah.
You didn't give up. Alright.
put on start. I could put on high.
All right, that's good. That's good. That's good. It's 80. A little off.
Yeah.
That's not bad though. That's good. Damn, that's pretty accurate.
You got it pretty good.
Yeah. Shout out OMT. Yeah, that was actually really good. I know they're meant for lug nuts, but
Now you know.
used it on the lower control arm. Not bad. Where we at? So we just got front coilover in. The backs are good. The backs are easy. Yeah, these ones don't come with the top hat, so we had to use the factory ones. Yeah, this is a Model 3. It's the expert right here. Yeah. So this front sway bar bolt is 72. This one right here is 85 foot-pounds. Then you got the brake bolt, or brake line bolt, and then this one, pinch bolt, is 41 foot-pounds. Make sure it clears. We don't know yet.
You're good. You're still good.
We're good.
That's it?
That's it. Wait, no. Yes. No.
No, right?
No.
I feel like no, because I was looking
The
at
back.
I was looking at the ride height. I was
Damn.
like, it's
The back. All right, I got an idea. Put
just
blocks
do
on
the block.
back.
Just do the back.
Hope it doesn't slip.
So as long as this clears.
You want two? You feel comfortable?
Should be fine. It's in the center, right?
I'm good.
Okay. What do you think? Should I keep going?
Yeah, I mean it's a solid block. It's not gonna really. Yeah, it'll be fine, bro.
Just don't slam it, obviously.
Hey, your parking brakes on? I'm assuming.
Yeah.
How's that side looking, Phil?
Go back up.
Huh?
Go back up.
Serious?
It's weird, yeah. You know how it tilts because it's moving?
Well, shit. Let's just drop it and then take the
Go back up. Go back up.
All right, watch your.
Hey, this block kind of sketches me out, bro.
Yeah.
It'll be fine, bro. It'll be fine, bro. It'll be fine, bro. Huh? But do you have something else, like a wood plank or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, I forgot about these.
Oh my god.
I forgot about
These are perfect. It's easier for you. It's easier for you to drive off of them too.
I forgot about it.
Yeah, you won't really know the real ride height until we get this thing off its parking brakes and on like move it a little bit.
Well, that's good to know though that it's too low for the quick jacks.
Yeah.
Now we know. It's not clunky or anything, so it's good. Not bad. Took a couple hours.
It wasn't bad.
Just learning process. Well, you did it before.
I'm done here. Alright,
All right, bro. Good seeing you, man.
Thanks for letting us use your garage.
Of course.
kind of all supposed to use his
All right, so we just got the garage all cleaned up. It's about 1:45. It took a few hours on the car. Actually, not even a few hours. We spent a lot of time just kicking back too. But yeah, the back of the Tesla was pretty straightforward. It was just two bolts going up into the body. But the front was a little more complicated since the whole unit had to come out in order for you to put the coilover. in there. So it's just a completely different setup, more different than the traditional coilovers you would use for a regular car, and that's pretty obvious. But big shout out to Danny. Danny is super knowledgeable when it comes to Teslas. Danny is actually a distributor of aftermarket parts for the Tesla. So if you have a Tesla and you're interested in some aftermarket parts, then go ahead and hit up Danny. I will link his Instagram down below and his website as well. The guy with the red Model 3 was my good friend Phil. In one of my very first videos with my BRZ, you'll see Phil in the background. That guy back then just helped me out with a whole bunch of stuff for my cars, since I didn't have the space or anything like that. But Phil is one of my best friends, so obviously he's always welcome here. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was a little different from the traditional Subaru and my Honda, and sometimes even the Corolla. So if you guys enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one.